I gotta do an experiment.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
Yo, I'm not the best, but I'm sure I'm better than like Michael Jordan and stuff like that. I'm better than that. You see, Jax, there's a battle between dark matter and dark energy, and the looks of it, dark energy is winning, and the universe could expand forever and die a cold death.
Wow.
Okay, so now it is experiment time, but I want to demonstrate to you how air pressure can affect everyday things that we have in the world. But before we do that, we have to do meme review. Oh wait, I can't copy PewDiePie. Science review.
The prophecy is true.
That was the greatest video of all time. Now, here's how it works. I have this glass right here with paper at the bottom. That paper has been firmly pushed to the very bottom of this glass. Now, when I dunk it into this giant bowl of water, air pressure between, the surface of the water and this paper will cause some amazing things to happen and very odd things to happen, like bubbles and things like that, and even some noises. Before I tell you what happens, I have to tell you about Audiobooks Now.
It's getting serious on this
Audiobooks
track,
Now is
fam.
where you can listen to all your favorite audiobooks on the go wherever you are. Yo, why didn't it work that time? No, I want to go that way. So check it out. They have all kinds of cool deals where you can get like 50% off your first book or something like that. But you can click the link in my description, check out Audiobooks Now, and get it today. Alright, so as you can see, I have the glass right here. Watch what happens when I dunk it in the water. You might even be able to hear it. I don't know if you can see, but there's some sort of resistance for me to push the cup downward. I can still do it, but there's resistance because of the air pressure between the water, surface of the water, and the paper. Now, I'm gonna take it out. You can hear that bubble too, and you can see it. Now look at the inside. Paper's still there. It's a little wet from testing earlier. Watch what happens. I'm gonna dunk this right here, and I'm gonna prove to you that the air pressure and stuff is making bubbles and things like that. I'm gonna hold this right here so it stays at the very bottom. Okay, so now we got that stabilized, and when I, dunk this into the water fully and immerse it out, the air pressure between, this the bottom of the glass and the surface of the water, that kinetic energy of the bubble created from that will cause this to shake. So watch very closely. Dunk it all the way at the bottom. Now it's no more air pressure, and it'll make it bubble when I come out. Just like that. And it moves just a little bit to the right here. It moved again, as you can see. That's pretty cool. Now look how big of a bubble this will make when I take this out. Pretty cool. Also, when I do this, you make bubbles from the air pressure. That's really cool.